Historically, courts have permitted individuals to seek injunctions against state officers who violate federal statutes, even without Congress's express authorization. However, the Supreme Court examined this practice more closely in Armstrong v. Exceptional Child Center. The Medicaid Act requires states to set reimbursement rates that are, quote, consistent with efficiency, economy, and quality of care, unquote. State reimbursement rates must also be sufficient to ensure a state enlists enough providers to meet its needs. The Act authorizes the Department of Health and Human Services to withhold federal funding from states failing to meet these conditions. Medicaid reimbursements in Idaho were distributed by the state's Department of Health and Welfare. After the department conducted cost studies, Richard Armstrong, the department's director, recommended that the state increase its reimbursement rates. However, the rate increase was never implemented due to budget concerns. Exceptional Child Care and a group of other Idaho health care providers filed a claim against the department and Armstrong, alleging that the state's reimbursement rates were lower than what the Medicaid Act permitted. Exceptional sought an injunction requiring Idaho to increase its rates. The district court granted Exceptional's motion for summary judgment, and the Ninth Circuit affirmed. The Supreme Court granted cert.